Hey guys, welcome back to another home gym equipment review. Today we have the RopeFlex 2100 rack attachable, wall attachable, mountable rope pulling machine. So this is the RX2100. It's got magnetic resistance all the way from 10 to 200 pounds, and that's based off of your pulling intensity and speed. The rope machine and like carriage assembly weighs 50 pounds. It comes with an additional pulley system, which we're going to get into how to use that. If you remember before, I did their RX505, which is just friction based. So this is a step up. It's magnetic resistance. And let me show you all the cool things this can do. The rope is a polyester weave rope. It's nice and smooth, so you're not going to have to worry about like an actual rope, little pieces flicking off and hurting your hands. The cool thing about this is so the rope that comes down on the front, this one that's more forward to me, this one is the magnetic resistance. Like it's going to be a lot harder. So the faster you pull, the harder it gets. This rope in the back is going to be slightly less. They designed it to be more for speed work. So you have more resistance-based work up here and speed work. So this one, you can go really fast, right? So that's why I said it's going to be based on your speed and intensity. The more you pull here, the harder it gets. Back here, the faster you pull, the faster you're going to go. So that's really cool. So I'm going to show you guys a few exercises with this. And then we're going to move on to the lower pulley and how you can make that work for you for all kinds of exercises. So the basic exercise we're going to start with is just kind of maybe a standard squat pull where you're here and you're really using those arms and those legs like it's a whole body functional workout to pull, right? Pull. And the faster I go, the harder I get. The smooth is really pull. The pull is really smooth. There's nothing gets stuck. There's, that friction-based one. You can have a little, it's not as smooth, right? Because there's some little hiccups in it. This is just a smooth beast of a machine. You can stay on your knees, right? If you just want to work on your upper body, you could sit all the way down on your butt and pull from there. The options are endless. You could switch and do some speed work. So that is kind of the basics of it. Now let me show you how to up level it. So it also comes with this pulley system that's attaching to your rack, right? It's just got a little knob, slides right in and out. So you can place it anywhere you want. So I have it right about the horizontal height. So what I can do is take this back rope that's built for kind of speed work, thread it under. I can step away, and now I can work on my horizontal pulls, which is really cool, right? So you can do vertical, and then you can do horizontal. So that's the speed one. If I want to work on some like strength and resistance, I take this more forward rope, same thing, wrap it through, take a step back, and now I have really heavy pulls. So if you want to simulate like sled pulling or any kind of tactical training, you got this really good resistance pull here, right? Great for your back, upper body. So that is the mid one. Now we're going to drop it all the way down low. Okay, now I have the pulley attached low, so I can do a low to high pull. So I attach, loop it around the back. This is the speed one. So I can pull up, 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 up. Another awesome exercise, and again, you could use either one of these ropes depending on you want speed or resistance. So I'm going to maintain a squat position. I'm going to grab the rope, thumbs up. I'm going to pull it up like a squat. So I'm using that resistance to pull it up. Then if you want to make it like a full body ground to overhead movement for some functional training, grab it nice and low and then extend all the way through. And that's actually pretty tough. I'm not even using the resistance-based side. So now we're doing from ground to overhead, full body movement here. I can also turn this around, lean forward, and do some tricep work with tricep extensions here. Or I can come around and continue that tricep, line myself up with the resistance one, and I just pull all the way down and through. It's going to be really hard at the end range. Triceps are on fire. So there's a lot of little things you can do with this to make it a full body workout. I'm telling you, I'm already breathing heavy. I'm really impressed with this, guys. I got to tell you, I've tried several rope pulling machines, and this one by far impressed me the most. I wasn't ready for how super cool this really is. When you order this RX2100 series, it's going to come with a QR code to get the Hypervision app. So the app is 100% free. It's made here in the USA, just like the product. And you download the app and it's gonna give you the ability to, you can do races, you can do interval training. It's gonna track your distance climbed, your time, all these really cool little features. So I have it up on my phone. It's kind of like the digital display in an app. There's a Bluetooth connection in here and it connects right to your phone. So that way you know how, like, it even tracks my speed. So as you can see, there we go. Let me go. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. So this I have it set to, so yeah, that is cool. I just learned. So you can set this to be whether you want to be intervals, so you can set how many feet you want to climb, you can have it a time setting, you can have it speed setting or distance, and it's going to track it, and then you can log it and save it so you know what your metrics are for your performance. Overall, I give this RX2100 2 thumbs up. I actually was pleasantly surprised. I expected it to be good, but I didn't know it was going to be this good. The price point is just right around $1,800, $1,900, but it is worth it. And did I mention there is no subscription fee for the app? It's just free. You can do full body movements, tactical training, functional training. If you're a hybrid athlete like me, this is a must-have in your gym. I highly recommend it. They sent it to me to give my feedback, and I think it's incredible, like no BS. I'm sold on it, and that's why I want to share it with you guys. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know. And as always, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, give me a like, and I'll see you guys here next time.